Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to play all the major scales with one schematic. Okay, you're not supposed to do this, but if you, it's also good for you to know how to do this. So I'm going to just show you. It's very useful when you have some kind of a test coming up. Teacher tells you to do all the major scale. You just resort to this. There's two ways doing this. First one is you play A major scale 2 octaves. And with the shift, you just repeat that over and over again. I've written a schematic, I'll explain now. So you're gonna go 1, whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, half step, and that's it. So 1, 2, high 3, 4, 1, 2, high 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, high 3, 4, 1, 2, high 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Sounds like this. Yeah, so notice it's the third note that gets lowered when you go to the higher two strings. So it's high 3, regular 3, regular 3. Okay, got it? Now what do? This is A. Let's say they want G sharp or A flat. You just move that down here and then do the same thing. Low 3. When you're coming down, make sure on the lower two string, that 3 is right next to the 4. Squish it. Okay, so that was A flat. You go A and then you go B flat. Same thing. 1, 2, high 3, 4, 1, 2, high 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Squeeze. Squeeze. Then you get C this time. High 3, 4. Squeeze. Squeeze. And then you get C sharp, you get D, and then you get E flat, E, F, F sharp, and then back to G. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. What if you start on open string? Remember I told you the third note gets lowered? So you just go. So this is third note now. Number 2 is third note. So it's gonna go 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, low 2, 3, 0, 1, low 2. Got it? You just end up on 2 now because we didn't start at 1. So you just pretty much minus 1 everything. So let's take a look at that. This one. This is the third note of that string. Lower. Lowered. Squeeze. Got it? Okay, so that's how you do it. There's another way of doing this. Okay, this is some people like this one better. Okay, you can't. Sometimes you don't want to go all the way up here. So what if you want the E major scale 2 octaves? So you start here. You do 1, 2, high 3, 4, 1, 2, high 3, 4. Okay, I'll show you. You see this E? This is the E tonic. You just replace that with number 1. Move over. And then you do 1, 2, high 3, 4, 1, 2, high 3, 4 from here. And then you just replace that with 4. And then you shift up. You get the idea. And then G. Okay, sometimes they don't want the tonic repeated, so you just repeat, you don't replace it, you just shift to it. So let's go E major scale. It's this one, so you're gonna put number 1 there. It's this one, so you don't want this again, so you go. But from the beginning, I think it's very helpful to you just repeat the tonic. Shift, shift. So that's how you do it. As I mentioned, I've written a little schematic for you. Follow that along, and then I hope you can make a good use out of it. All right. The second one, the one you have to shift, I think is good for shifting exercise. All right. As always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time,